In today's episode of Getting Sexy Back, I'll be diving into the world of nutrition challenges. We're going to explore a variety of ways to adopt healthier eating habits, one step at a time. From going sugar-free to embracing a plant-based diet, these challenges can transform your health and outlook on food. You'll hear insights and tips that make navigating these changes easier, all based on expert advice and my personal experiences. So, whether you're aiming to boost your energy, improve digestion, or just feel better overall, this episode has something for you. Let's get started. Did you know that nearly 90% of people struggle to maintain a balanced diet? That's right. Despite all the information and resources available, so many of us find it challenging to eat healthily on a regular basis. Stay tuned to Getting Sexy Back as we explore some eye-opening nutrition challenges that could help turn things around. Welcome to the Getting Sexy Back podcast. I'm Anna. Today we'll dive into a fascinating topic, nutrition challenges. We'll explore the goals and benefits of attempting various nutrition challenges and how they can transform your eating habits for the better. Get ready to be informed, inspired, and motivated to make healthier choices. Many people believe that healthy eating is synonymous with bland, unappetizing meals, or that it requires expensive organic foods that are difficult to find. However, these are just some of the misconceptions that often deter individuals from pursuing a nutritious diet. Misconceptions also include thinking that all fats are bad, or confusing diet trends with nutritional facts. According to the experts, there's a huge variety of delicious, healthful foods, such as nuts, whole grains, and lean proteins that can suit any budget. One significant difficulty people encounter is the prevalence of processed foods, which are convenient but often loaded with hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium. Another common hurdle is understanding food labels, which can be tricky due to misleading marketing. As detailed by experts, many don't realize how even small amounts of added sugars and sodium can accumulate, negatively impacting health over time. Finally, lack of proper meal planning and preparation time can make it challenging for people to consistently eat healthily. Between work, family, and other responsibilities, carving out time to prepare nutritious meals can seem overwhelming. Still, small, strategic changes can lead to significant health improvements. All right. Let's dive into some popular nutrition challenges that can transform the way you eat, making your meals healthier and more enjoyable. First up, we have the Sugar-Free Challenge, an excellent starting point for anyone looking to cut out the added sugars from their diet. On average, Americans consume about 17 teaspoons of added sugar daily, which is far above the recommended limit. Cutting out these sugars can lead to improved energy levels and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like obesity and type 2 diabetes. A good tip to succeed in this challenge is to become adept at reading the labels on foods to identify hidden sugars. Substituting natural sweeteners like stevia or honey can also help adjust your taste preferences gradually. Next, we have the Whole Foods Challenge. This involves embracing a diet consisting entirely of unprocessed and natural foods. Eating whole foods can significantly boost your nutrient intake and improve digestion. These foods are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are often stripped away in processed items. To get the most out of this challenge, engage in meal planning to ensure you're incorporating a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Some people find it helpful to shop along the outer perimeters of grocery stores, where whole foods are typically located. Now let's talk about the Plant-Based Diet Challenge. This challenge encourages you to shift your diet to focus exclusively on plant-based foods like vegetables, fruits, grains, nuts, and seeds. Reducing reliance on animal products can have profound effects on your heart health and is also better for the environment. Tips for success include balancing your macronutrients and exploring a variety of plant-based protein sources such as legumes, tofu, and tempeh. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes to keep your meals interesting and nutritious. These challenges not only offer tremendous health benefits, but also help you build sustainable eating habits. Whether you try one at a time or combine a few, each step brings you closer to a balanced and healthier lifestyle. Before we continue exploring these fascinating nutrition challenges, I want to take a quick moment to remind you to subscribe to the Getting Sexy Back podcast. If you're enjoying today's episode, please share it with your friends and leave a comment below. Your support helps us bring you more engaging and informative content. Now, let's dive deeper into some more specialized nutrition challenges that can really make a difference in your daily habits and overall well-being. First up, the Hydration Enhancement Challenge. This one's simple but oh so impactful. Staying well hydrated is crucial for your health, yet so many people struggle to drink enough water each day. The benefits are numerous. Proper hydration keeps your skin elastic and glowing, boosts kidney function, and even helps maintain your energy levels throughout the day. To succeed in this challenge, keep a reusable water bottle with you at all times as a constant reminder. If plain water gets boring, infuse it with fruits, herbs, or cucumbers for a refreshing twist. For me, adding a slice of lemon and a few mint leaves does wonders. Next, let's talk about the Mindful Eating Challenge. This challenge is a game changer for anyone looking to improve their relationship with food. Mindful eating isn't just about what you eat, but how you eat. The goal here is to eat slowly and with full awareness, savoring each bite and truly appreciating the tastes and textures of your food. This can significantly improve digestion and meal satisfaction, helping you better recognize when you're truly hungry or full. To practice mindful eating, make an effort to eat without distractions. No TV, no smartphones. Focus solely on your meal. Listen to your body's hunger cues and aim to stop eating when you're comfortably full, not stuffed. I remember trying this challenge for the first time during a particularly hectic week, and it felt like a mini meditation session every meal. It brought a much-needed sense of calm and intention to my day. Lastly, the No Snacking Challenge is another powerful way to reset your eating habits. This challenge encourages you to eliminate snacking and focus solely on nutrient-dense, satisfying meals. It's about distinguishing true hunger from emotional or habitual eating. Sticking to regular meals helps regulate your blood sugar levels and promotes more mindful eating habits. For success in this challenge, plan and prepare meals that are both nutritious and fulfilling. Identify triggers for emotional eating, whether it's stress, boredom, or another emotion, and find healthier ways to cope. For me, taking a walk or doing a quick breathing exercise became my go-to strategies. If you tend to snack out of habit, try to create new routines that don't revolve around food, like a mid-afternoon stretch or a phone call to a friend. These specialized challenges, the hydration enhancement, mindful eating, and no snacking, can each bring about significant positive changes in your health and overall lifestyle. Imagine this. It's day 4 of my sugar-free challenge. So far, everything seemed manageable, but then came the ultimate test, my best friend's birthday party. The table was covered in cupcakes, cookies, and a stunning multi-layered cake, glistening with sugary icing. I felt an internal battle, my cravings versus my commitment. At that moment, I remembered why I started this journey, for better energy and to lower my risk of chronic disease. I took a deep breath, grabbed a handful of nuts I had in my bag, and focused on the celebration rather than the sweets. This pivotal moment wasn't just about resisting temptation, it was about reclaiming control over my choices. Emotionally, I felt empowered, like I had conquered a small mountain. Physically, the absence of a sugar crash made me more present and energized throughout the evening. This victory encouraged me to press on, knowing I could overcome any future challenge with determination and mindful planning. Before we continue, I want to remind you to follow us on social media to stay updated with all our latest episodes. Don't forget to join our community discussions. It's a fantastic way to share your thoughts and connect with other listeners who are on the same journey towards healthier living. Let's make getting sexy back a collaborative effort. To wrap things up, the key takeaway from these nutrition challenges is the monumental impact they can have on our eating habits and overall well-being. From sugar-free to whole foods and mindful eating, each challenge unveils healthier choices and sustainable habits, contributing to a more vibrant life. We'd love to hear about your own healthy eating experiences. Share your journey, challenges, and triumphs in the comments below. Also, make sure to listen to our next episode where we'll dive into the art of meal prepping. It's packed with tips and tricks to make your healthy eating even easier. Until next time, stay sexy and stay healthy.